Hello everyone, Ganesh Sanok and welcome to my channel. So a video showing 3 men caught on camera robbing an elderly man of his cash and cell phone outside a Bloemfontein shopping center has been circulating online. Sis, what a heartbreaking, barbaric and cowardice act from those thieves. The police have since asked the public to assist with identifying those suspects, and I have full confidence that social media will help in exposing them. The real problem though is the system. They'll likely be out on 500 rands bail and continue robbing people, just like that viral Pretoria phone snatcher was out on bail, broke his bail conditions by snatching more phones, and was still allegedly granted 500 rands bail again. This South African system that prioritizes the rights of criminals over the safety of citizens is disheartening and demoralizing. It's just not it.